In Rotterdam, sails are high. By the museum harbor we pass by. Old ships whisper tales of yore. Freedom calls from every shore.
In the dawn's first morning light, wooden decks reflect the night. Hugo's camera does not lie. History alive in every tide.
Oh, sailor's song from ports afar guides us like a northern star. With Hugo's lens we see the past, reliving moments made to last. The ropes are thick, the anchors rust. Echoes linger warm with trust. In Rotterdam we find a way to blend the old within the day. With the wind beneath our wings, Hugo's voice in chorus sings. Museum harbor, tales we tell. In Rotterdam, our hearts will dwell. Hugo's eyes capture the scenes. Memories roll like endless dreams. In the shadow of the mast, we see the future and the past.
In Rotterdam we landed true to the Maritime Museum. We flew with Hugo and with Mario too for Travel with HugoF crew. Oh! Old ships creaking in the bay, history comes alive today. Ancient sails in bright display where sailors had their say. Hoist the anchor, set the sail. History's wind begins to wail. At the harbor, tales unveil. In the heart of Rotterdam's tale. Cannons line the wooden decks, thinking of those perilous treks. Museum halls we find the specks of old ships and forgotten wrecks. Echoes of the sailor songs, in the harbor they belong. We sing along the fabled throng where the maritime heart is strong. Hoist the anchor, set the sail. History's wind begins to wail. At the harbor, tales unveil. In the heart of Rotterdam's tale. In the heart of Rotterdam's tale. Hoist the anchor, set the sail. History's wind begins to wail. At the harbor, tales unveil. In the heart of Rotterdam's tale. Hoist the anchor, set the sail. History's wind begins to wail. At the harbor, tales unveil. In the heart of Rotterdam's tale. In the heart of Rotterdam's tale. In the heart of Rotterdam's tale. In the harbour of Rotterdam we'll sail tonight, where ships of old stand tall in the moonlight. Harbour breeze so cool, hearts filled with delight. Hugo catching memories with all his might. Rusty anchors and ropes thick and stout, floorboards creak as the seagulls shout. Stories of sailors brave and devout, Hugo with his camera, there's no doubt. Oh, the sails they whisper, tales unseen, wooden decks where history has been. Rotterdam's museum, harbour pristine, Hugo's lens captures the scene. Masts reach high into the starry sky, tales of storms and calm, they'll never die. With every click, Hugo's reason why, to share the harbour with every passerby. Barnacles cling to hulls old and worn, in this pit port our hearts are reborn. Hugo's video, a legacy sworn, capturing moments till the early morn. Oh, the sails they whisper, tales unseen, wooden decks where history has been. Rotterdam's museum, harbour pristine, Hugo's lens captures the scene. Oh, the sails they whisper, tales unseen, wooden decks where history has been. Rotterdam's museum, harbour pristine, Hugo's lens captures the scene.
Thanks for watching my channel, Traveling with HugoF. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Travel with me by your side, new adventures every week. Come along, enjoy the